chickens are expensive, and I mean really expensive. And of course, chickens lay eggs, and those eggs turn into chicks, and then those chicks turn into chickens, and then the process goes on. But what if you have no chickens to start this process? For a chicken to hatch, you need two elements, humidity and heat. And the only way to hatch those chickens is by using the incubator. But incubator prices can get really, really expensive. This is my dad's incubator, and he built this thing when he was my age, and that was 35 years ago. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build an incubator from scratch. Let's get started. For this project, we're going to be using 1-inch plywood. All right, this incubator is 18 inches by 10 inches. All right, we're going to go cut a piece of plywood that size, and I'll get back to you. Now, of course, you can use a table saw or a jigsaw for this, and a table saw would probably be ideal, but I'm a little timid to use it. All right, there we go. We got the first piece cut out. All right, next up is our bottom panel. So the bottom panel is going to measure 10.5 inches by 18 inches. Again, we'll cut this out on the bandsaw. All right, we're gonna be using 1/2 inch plywood for the back panel. This piece is gonna measure 18 inches by 10 inches. And again, we'll use our flat edge to make those lines straight. Got the back panel cut out, so now we just need to cut out the two side panels. And finally, the side panels are going to be 10 inches by 10 inches. And then we'll make another one of those. All right, we're going to start assembling this incubator. I'm using 1.5 inch screws, and we're just going to drill into here and screw together. All right, we got the main part of our incubator assembled, so now we got to work on the sliders for the door. And for this, we're just going to be using this little piece of wood. I think it's 1/2 inch by 1 inch. I'm going to be cutting 2 of these pieces at 10 inches. And now we'll screw it to the side. And if my measurements were correct, this should slide right in there. Perfect. Now that we got the basic frame complete, let's work on the inside. Okay, we cut 2 pieces at 16.5 inches, and these are just gonna go from this side to the other side to hold up the patching tray. All right, now we have a nice platform we can hatch the chicks on. All right, now it's time for the walls to hold the chicks in the incubator, and you're gonna wanna find something that has really high walls because you don't want them falling out. We're gonna be making this tray 8 inches by 16 inches. Since it's just building like a tray, I'm not gonna go too in depth with it, so here's a little montage. All right, for the bottom of the tray, we're gonna be using a queen excluder to keep the eggs in. You can use wired mesh, but I don't have any on hand at the moment. So we're just gonna cut this to size and then nail it. All right, there's 2 main parts to making an egg hatch, heat and humidity. So for the heat, we're gonna be using a light bulb, and humidity, we're just gonna use a pan of water at the bottom of the incubator. So we're gonna be using a light bulb socket right here and a thermostat. These thermostats are about $25 on Amazon, and that's better than just buying like a $100 incubator. And then we also have this light bulb socket. We're gonna wire these 2 things together and then put a light bulb in here, and then it should work. Next, we're gonna mount our thermostat, and we're gonna mount it in the back corner right there. got everything installed. Now last step is to wire everything together. After finishing wiring everything together and setting the thermostat, we were ready to slide the eggs in and wait. Well, there you go, guys. I just showed you how to make an incubator for pretty much free. Make sure you follow the channel because I'm going to be posting a ton of videos about those chickens. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see y'all next time.